Hi there guys, my name is David, you're watching VivaLaAutomotive, and today's video is going to be quite special because last time I was out in central London recording supercar sessions, I have seen a crash happen where a Ferrari 458 crashed into a Ferrari 812 and a BMW M6, so that's basically what today's whole video is about. Keep on watching until the end of the video for the actual footage of the crash as well as an explanation of what exactly happened, but that's enough talking for now, let's get into the video. The Ferrari 458 is Ferrari's flagship V8 model from the late 2000s all the way to mid-2010s, which comes with a naturally aspirated 4.5-liter V8 producing 562 horsepower and 540 Nm of torque. The car came with a completely revised design from its predecessor, the F430, and paired with the aforementioned engine, capable of getting the car to a top speed of 210 miles per hour, it was a winning formula. And Ferrari sold over 15,000 of these cars. This one over here crashed into the back of a Ferrari 812 Superfast and a BMW M6, but more on that later. Guys, just look at the front of this Ferrari 458. I mean, it is dented over there. The whole hood is dented as well, just up. The airbags are out. And from this other side, it looks even worse because this whole side is just completely destroyed. The wheel is sort of coming off. And yeah, that's a pretty unlucky day for the owner. I have never seen a crashed 458 or a Ferrari in general, so this is quite a weird sight for me, but it must be quite expensive for the owner. Alright guys, so a quick update. I am still here on Park Lane. The crash happened like 2 hours ago and the Ferrari 458 is still there just behind me. Everyone's taking pictures, everyone's looking at the damage, there's a bunch of police officers here. But anyway, the car is still there, just waiting to be towed, and I'm hoping that the truck is going to come soon because I need to get the videos, you know, of it getting loaded on the truck and then hopefully move to Belgravia or some other spots to see a bunch of other cars. Just look at the scene here, bunch of spotters over there on the opposite side of the street, the Ferrari 458, and then the rest of the cars here, bunch of police officers as well. Just a casual Sunday afternoon on Park Lane, I'd say. Finally, after hours of waiting, the 458 is starting to get loaded on top of the tow truck. I'll just leave the process here, so enjoy. It's not every day you get to see the underbody of a Ferrari 458. Am I the only one who is so surprised about how flat it is? It looks like the bottom of a Tesla. And yeah, we're almost there, guys. Almost there. Just put the car down already. So a quick update, the Ferrari 458 is finally being loaded up onto the truck, but look at the traffic here on Park Lane over there in the distance. I would hate to be in a car in that kind of traffic jam over there right now. Okay, maybe that was a bit premature, I don't know why, but they're moving the 458 to a different tow truck. What a mess.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's much easier like that. You have to take
I don't know why, but they wanted to put the Ferrari on this truck in the front, but now they're moving it to the other one. They've been here for like the past 45 minutes, not knowing how to load the Ferrari. There's a GT3 that was stuck in the traffic probably, and the Ferrari 458 seems to be finally loaded and ready to go. But look at all the cars over there. It goes like all the way to the end of Park Lane, I think. Just cars on cars on cars. Imagine going on like a Sunday afternoon trip to Mayfair and then you get stuck in this kind of traffic jam for 2 hours. Yeah, not the best Sunday afternoon out in London, I'd say. And not the best afternoon for these guys with the crashed 458 as well. Let me do a final quick walk around of the car on the truck. You can see that in the back it's completely fine, it's completely normal, even the backup camera is all good. But here in the front, it is a completely different story. I don't know if you can hear me because there's a bunch of traffic, bunch of shouting here on Park Lane. But here in the front, the car is just completely destroyed. Just look at this wheel. I mean, just goes into the fender here. The hood is all dented, I mean just squished up over here. And of course here in the front, just damage here, damage there. That's that. But otherwise a pretty nice spec on the Ferrari 458, finished in black with blacked out wheels, the yellow brake calipers, Ferrari shields of course, and a full black leather interior with yellow stitching. The Ferrari 458 is now loaded up onto the truck and leaving Park Lane, and I have some information about the crash. Okay guys, sorry for the clickbait, I haven't actually seen the crash itself, but here's a quick recreation. The Ferrari 812 stops at the lights. The Ferrari 458 is right behind, but it's unable to stop in time, so steers a bit to the right to avoid the collision. This attempt is unsuccessful and the 458 crashes into the back of the 812 and into the back of the M6. So yeah, that's not the best day, you know, crashing your Ferrari into another even more expensive Ferrari as well as a BMW. Not the kind of stuff you would want on a Sunday afternoon. But the owner of the M6 might be in even more trouble because he was driving the car uninsured, which is illegal here in the UK, and he was driving it in flip-flops, which is also illegal here in the UK. So he might actually lose his driver's license. And yeah, that's also not the kind of stuff you would want to happen on a Sunday afternoon. And a Lamborghini Aventador SV is just driving past. Okay, now, yeah, there it is. It's not an SV, it's actually an S, but whatever. Here's the black 812, which is also involved in the crash, finished in black with black TDF wheels, yellow calipers, and in the front it's completely fine, but here in the back carbon fiber diffuser is just completely destroyed. You can see just scratched here, and yeah, that's going to be quite expensive as well. And that's everything for today's video about the crashed Ferrari 458, the Ferrari 812 and the BMW M6. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you found it interesting. I for sure did. I've never seen a Ferrari crash ever before in my life. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more automotive content weekly. But that's everything for now. Hopefully, see you next time.